Hi dear viewers, my name is Nick. In this video I will show you how to download Marvel Mystic Mayhem on your PC or laptop. So now on your screen you can see their official website marvelmysticmayhem.com. Now there are only two ways how you can download this game. Download on the App Store or get it on Google Play. So to play this game on your PC, you have to install an Android emulator such as BlueStacks or LD Player or another one. In this video I'm gonna use LD Player. So to install this Android emulator, just open up a browser and type here LD Player download. Now go right here to this website, and right here at the top right corner you can find the download LD Player button. So click on it, and then in the download history you will find the LD Player 9 installer. So just run it and install it completely to your device. After that you can easily run it. Just double click on it and you will see this window. So this is like a virtual phone on your laptop or on your PC, where you can easily install any Android apps. To do it, click on the System Apps folder and find here Play Store. Of course, you need to sign in or sign up, and then at the very top click on the search box and type here Marvel Mystic Mayhem right here. Okay, then click on the game, and there is the install button, so let's click on it to download this game. Finally, I can launch it right on my PC. So let's do it. Click on the play button. Wait a bit. Okay, there's the result. I can start playing this game right now. Let's click on guest. And here it is. By the way, on the BlueStacks, you can customize your keyboard mapping by clicking on this icon. And after that, just play this game. Hope my video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.